Erogenous zones are linked to feelings of actual arousal. Stimulating these spots can ramp up feelings of actual pleasure and make sex more satisfying. Welcome to another video with some more juicy, more interesting data and recommendations related to female erogenous zones. Before we start, kindly subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment below. Here are a few clandestine pleasure points or erogenous zones in women's bodies you need to keep in mind for your next pleasure encounter. Number 1. Mouth. Kissing is incredibly pleasurable, especially long and passionate make-out sessions with someone you love. Passionate kissing is often the very best foreplay, and the perfect erogenous zone you can have during an intimate encounter. Since people are aroused in many ways, the act of kissing can bring you to orgasm without any actual stimulation. Number 2. Ears. The ears have 120 acupressure points, which is why you should be paying attention to caressing the ears. Biting, caressing, licking, and blowing into the ears can arouse a woman tremendously. If you are a great talker, whisper dirty, sexy things into her ear to increase the spread of actual energy in her body. Number 3. Inner wrists. The inner wrists are an erogenous zone that not many people pay attention to. However, the wrist is covered with a thin layer of skin which classifies it as a pleasure point because when the wrists are kissed and nibbled, a woman gets turned on immensely. Number 4. Nape of the neck. This erogenous spot is packed with nerve endings that make it a spot to be paid attention to for maximum arousal. Kissing and licking the nape of a woman's neck is tingling and inflames the actual arousal in her. Hence, this is a part you should be paying extra attention to during foreplay. Number 5. Lower back. Pay attention to this sensitive erogenous spot as a part of your foreplay repertoire, as massaging the lower back is very stimulating to a woman. Other than elevated arousal, massaging the lower back soothes the pelvic muscles and makes intercourse smoother. Number 6. Inner thighs. Perilously close to the genitals, the inner thighs are an underrated pleasure point of women's bodies that most guys don't focus on. Kissing and licking the inner thighs will turn a woman on in no time. During foreplay, you can work your way up from the inner thighs to the clitoris to arouse her further. Number 7. Back of neck. Best erogenous zones in women, as the reason your neck acts as a hot spot. It's extremely sensitive, full of blood vessels, and is associated with vulnerability. Soft, lingering caresses are clutch. Number 8. Pelvis. Concentrating some affection on her pelvis is a great idea, however, you'll have to resist the urge to slip down to her vagina while you're so close. Like teasing her inner thighs, kissing and licking around her pelvis will excite her until she's begging for more. Prolong the sensation by leaving the region to focus on another body part for a while. Number 9. Behind her knees. This area is one that most men don't think of when trying to stimulate a woman, but it is, in fact, quite sensitive. Gently caressing the back of the knee under her skirt while the two of you are in a public place will make her ready to get busy once you get home. Don't forget to pay some more attention to this special spot once you're alone too. Number 10. The arm. Another erogenous zones in a woman's body is an arm of her, just below the shoulder, and between her elbow on the exterior part of her arm is another clitoris. When you find the point that is that one special pressure point, and when pressed on directly and held for 10 seconds or more, she has the capability of moving into orgasmic breath and a wave of pleasure fills her body. Thanks for watching.